Don't feel like making a whole turkey this year? Well, today I got you. We'll be making the most juicy, fall off the bone, Cajun smothered turkey wings. Absolutely delicious. Takes no time to prepare. Before we begin, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Like this video for me if you enjoy it. Let's dive in. All right, guys, to begin, I am starting with a little bit under 5 pounds of turkey wings. I went ahead and cut them in half, as you can see. So I cut the drum from the wing. I am going to pat it dry because I just washed this. It's kind of wet. So make sure you pat it dry really good. Once you're done patting it dry, you are going to drizzle a little bit of oil to it, just like this. I'm going to give that a mix. Once you have that nicely coated with the oil, grab your seasoning. For today, we are using a lot of seasoning. I'm using the IslandVibe Cajun crushed seasoning, creole seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, ground black pepper, thyme, and some smoked paprika. I'm going to mix that together before I add it to my turkey and just sprinkle that all over and add some more. Now also I am going to be adding some onion and bell peppers in there. I also have a little bit of parsley, not too much. And I'm adding the rest of that seasoning in. It's gonna come out tasting so good. Now I'm going to place my turkey wings to my baking tray, just like this. And my baking tray is a little bit too small, so I'm gonna bake the drum separate. And what are you going to do now? You're going to grab your bell peppers, just add them just like this. Add your bell peppers in here. This is quick, easy. You can marinate this overnight, then bake it the next day. All right, we want this turkey to be nice and saucy with the gravy. So I have about 1 cup of chicken broth here with about 2 to 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Then I'm going to add that in here slowly, mix it up so we don't form any lumps here. Once you have that nice and mixed up, you are going to pour it on the side of your baking dish, not on top of the turkey, okay? Just the side. Perfect. And also, I am going to add some butter on top. We want it to be nice and buttery. Just add some butter. I want some color on the wings, so a little bit more seasoning so it can look nice and pretty once it's done baking. Perfect. We are going to bake this on 400 for about 1 hour. We're not going to cover it. Uncovered for 1 hour. I will see you guys here back in 1 hour. All right, guys, our turkey is finally done and it's looking so gorgeous. Very nice and golden brown. Absolutely delish. All right, guys, it's time to give this turkey a try. It's looking so good. It smells so good. It's so tender. So flavorful. It's definitely a must try. Absolutely delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Please do not forget to leave a comment down below. Let me know what side dish would you try with this turkey wings. Thank you for watching. Happy Thanksgiving. Bye guys.